Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am in Crane Shores, a beautiful home in Donnelly. If you are having Wi-Fi connectivity or issues related to the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi is in the master bedroom. In order to reset the Wi-Fi, what will be necessary is to unplug it right back here with this cable right here. Unplug it for 3 minutes and then plug it back in. Now, if you find this place, and you might end up seeing a different name than what's listed, Motorola A2931 will be what you're looking for. And then the passcode should be the A2931491255. So give that a try. If that's not it, it could also be the WAPSK, which is A44607FC7D, and the rest of the digits that are there. But for the most part, if you turn it off and turn it back on, it should function. So if you have any further questions regarding the Wi-Fi at the Crane Shores location, you can please give us a call in the office. The landline phone number is 208-634-0030. Enjoy yourselves.